let's see how to print comments in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And some settings, especially Microsoft Word, do not immediately show comments right off the bat. So for example, right here, as we can see, there are no highlighted sections to be commented on. But if you see this icon right here, that means that it's possible that there is a comment right there. Now to show these comments, simply click on the review tab right here, click on show comments, and that should show the comments for that section. Now to print these comments, click on file, print, and as you can see here in settings, you have the option to print the whole thing or just the comments itself if you click list of markup. And if you click that, that will print only the comments for that document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.